You wake up in the middle of the night and you can't move. There's something standing in the corner of your room, watching you. Your body has decided this is the perfect moment to completely shut down. If that's happened to you, you're not crazy and not haunted. And you're definitely not alone. Millions go through this exact thing, and tonight I'll show you what's really happening inside your brain. Because the real story is way stranger than any ghost. You'll learn why your body traps you and why you see shadowy figures. And the one simple trick that can pull you out. Also, this is my very first video, so I'm honestly pretty excited. If you can hit like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Drop your country in the comments. Okay, let's get into it. Here's the first thing to know. Every night, when you fall into the deepest, dreamiest sleep, your brain does something wild. It literally paralyzes your body on purpose. There's a stage of sleep called REM, short for rapid eye movement. It's when your most vivid dreams happen. Your eyes dart under your eyelids, your brain buzzing, almost as awake as right now. But your body is switched off. Scientists call this REM atonia. Atonia simply means no muscle tone at all. Your brainstem at the base of your skull blocks the signals traveling from your brain to your muscles. Two chemicals do most of the work, glycine and GABA. Think of them as bouncers at the door of your muscles, telling every move command, sorry, not tonight. And honestly, this is a good thing, a really good thing for you. Imagine dreaming you're running from a bear, playing in the World Cup final, or fighting off a swarm of angry bees. Without paralysis, you'd be kicking, punching, and sprinting straight off your bed into a wall. It keeps you still so you dream in peace. When this breaks, in REM sleep behavior disorder, people act out their dreams, and some hurt themselves. So it's a feature, not a bug. Normally, the system runs like clockwork. You drift into REM, your body stills, you dream, then your brain flips the muscles back on. Sleep paralysis is what happens when that timing gets messed up. Your mind wakes up before your body gets the memo. Your consciousness boots up. The lights come on upstairs. You're aware of your room, your bed, your ceiling. But that chemical paralysis from REM hasn't switched off yet. Your brain is awake, but your body is still locked in sleep mode. That's the moment of pure panic. You're screaming at your arm to move, and nothing happens. You try to sit up, you can't. You try to shout, nothing comes out. It feels like you're buried alive inside your own body. This can last from a few seconds to a couple of minutes, but every single second feels like a whole hour. Here's some comfort. Around 8% of people feel this once in their life. Among students and the anxious, closer to 30%. But we haven't talked about the scary part. The thing in the corner. It's not just that you can't move. It's that you feel a presence, something evil, something watching. People report shadowy figures, hooded shapes, demons, even aliens. Some feel an old witch sitting on their chest, or hands around their throat, or hear whispering and a horrible buzzing sound. Across cultures, people named this thing for centuries: the old hag, a demon, a night spirit. There's even a famous old painting. It's called The Nightmare, from the 1700s, showing a creature on a sleeping woman's chest, basically a portrait of sleep paralysis. So, are these people seeing ghosts? No. Your brain is stuck halfway between dreaming and waking, and the dream world hasn't shut down. Those vivid dream images leak into your real bedroom. You see your actual room, but your brain paints monsters on top of it. It's like two movies on one screen. And your amygdala, the brain's fear center, fires like crazy, screaming that something is wrong. Your brain is terrified but doesn't know why, so it looks for a reason and builds a monster to match the fear. Now, about that weight on your chest. During REM, your breathing turns shallow, and those breathing muscles are paralyzed too. Your panicking brain feels you can't breathe deep and concludes, something is pressing on me. So the demon gets the blame. So why does this happen to some people on certain nights? Researchers found a bunch of powerful triggers. The biggest one is sleep deprivation. When you're exhausted, your sleep cycles get messy, and that timing glitch becomes far more likely. Next is sleeping on your back. For reasons we don't fully understand, it happens far more often flat on your back. Stress and anxiety play a huge role because an overactive fear brain is already primed and ready to panic. Jet lag, night shifts, and a messed up schedule all hurt. And genetics matter too. It can quietly run in families. Now, the part you came for. You're stuck, frozen, terrified. What do? First, remember this simple truth. It cannot hurt you, and it will end. Every episode ends on its own, usually within a couple of minutes. Hugo. There is no demon. Your body is just running its off switch a little too long. Knowing that takes the edge off. Second, the trick that works. Don't fight your whole body. Focus everything on one tiny thing, like wiggling a single finger. Or one toe. Or scrunching your face. Those small movements can jolt your brain into flipping the paralysis switch off. And slow, steady breathing helps. The calmer you get, the faster your fear center settles down and the episode fades. Long term, sleep better. Get your 7 to 9 hours, keep a regular bedtime, and if you can, sleep on your side. So it's not a ghost, not a demon, just your biology running a few seconds behind. If you learned something, please subscribe.